Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the graded clip in your timeline and making a quick safety copy. This protects the original. Once done, select the clip and open the Effects Control panel so you can see every applied effect. Make sure to zoom the panel if needed. That reveals Lumetri color, adjustment layers, or third-party color plugins. Now note which track contains an adjustment layer versus clip-level grades, because your next step is to isolate and disable the grading without altering edits. Once you've isolated the graded element, disable Lumetri color in Effects Control to immediately see the clip's baseline. If the grade lives on an adjustment layer, disable that layer or move it out of the timeline to remove global corrections. For third-party plugins, bypass them the same way. You may need to disable multiple plugin instances. Make sure to scrub and play the clip to confirm changes. If parts still look graded, search the clip effects stack. There can be multiple color adjustments. To finalize, reset any altered effect parameters to return to the original image, or remove the effect entirely if you want a clean slate. If camera LUTs were baked into media, relink to original masters or re-import ungraded files. Once done, render preview to ensure no residual processing remains. If something goes wrong, clear media cache, restart Premiere Pro, and inspect nested sequences or track composites. Often the grade lives in a nested timeline or stacked layer rather than the visible clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.